Unless you guys are okay with scooting down so I can sit there too.
No, there's no more space, huh? You can screw more to Barbara.
What? I will fall down.
No, not
you want to
you.
sit on my lap?
Here.
No, man.
You
No.
said Barbara. Can la cosa sit on my lap?
It's okay.
There you go. My foot touches the ground, so I can balance right now. Oh, there's a lot now. They said no fireworks and they said no gathering, but look at this.
That is the military.
They have no control over the military.
We're not gathering.
Well, basically we are because there's so many people by it.
Yeah, but we keep the distances.
Yeah.
Do we need to turn off the car, the truck?
Oh.
Probably.
I'm gonna go turn it off.
No, I will.
Okay, I don't.
I will.
Okay.
Pobre file.
Thank you, Dad.
I like it so much. Oh. It's nice. Oh, so you just dropped down my flip phone.
Sorry, Mom. Nah.
So nice. I like it. Αν δεν κάτσεις κάτω, μπορούμε να πάμε πιο δεξιά, θα πέσω κάτω.
Ναι, καλά, cosa.
What?
Move a little bit to your right. There.
Thank you.
Okay, now move again.
No. There, put your legs here.
No, I'm okay.
Behind me, you sure?
Yeah. Oh, Popo.
Nice.
That was a loud noise right there.
Yes, it's coming near us now.
Dad, that's not Bixfield.
Yes, because I'm military. They cannot tell the military not to.
Hopefully there's no airplanes at Bixfield.
Whoa.
Oh, ah.
Oh, this one is a big one.
Yeah, listen. Boom. Oh my gosh. Wait to see until the end. The end is gonna be like crazy.
Oh, yeah. I
Oh,
remember.
look at that, look
Oh
at that.
my God.
You think it's coming in your face?
Popo. Pobre file.
Is this the end right now?
No.
How long is it?
Yeah.
Probably about
Oh.
10 minutes.
So my video is going to be 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. Pobre file. Chihuahua. Oh,
Hey.
Popo. Hey, hi.
Hi.
Popo.
Busy recording this.
No me quiero.
Oh.
Ah.
That one was twirling. Oh.
Oh, look, goes high and boom.
You don't even see it going up.
No, it goes invisible.
Look, now it goes invisible.
Again.
Ooh. The big ones go invisible before they even go up.
Again.
New Mexico, Dad, is also experienced this.
The police is still there.
Of course. They're watching over, seeing if anyone's getting close.
Perhaps.
Disappeared.
Which one?
Ooh.
Where's the military?
Army,
There's,
Army police.
The flashing
Oh, I
lights.
see, yeah.
The military police.
My phone's really low on battery, so hopefully it lasts.
Oh,
53%.
look at that. Let's go high. High.
These sound like gunshots.
I like the other one that goes from red to blue to green like this one.
They have that, right? Coming up.
Yeah, they will.
Whoa.
Oh.
I'm just keeping my phone where I had it.
Me too.
And then I'm just gonna look up.
Yeah, me
And
too.
look at my phone sometimes to see if it's
Like
good
you're
spot.
recording, yeah.
Yeah, me too.
You're not even recording.
Well, I'm recording with mommy. Oh.
Is this the end?
No, not yet.
Ooh.
You will feel it when it's the end. It's
Or
gonna
hear
be a
it.
mass of boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom.
You mean hear it?
Yeah, you feel it on your hearing senses. Oh, quita, quita, quita. The celebration of the freedom. See, that's how we celebrate when we're free.
That was red, white, and blue.
The evil better
I'm gonna send
go
this to
away.
Auntie on Audi.
Yes,
That's
it's gonna
for
be
sure.
nice.
Oh,
Whoa,
look that.
these were like missiles.
Yeah.
That was a nice one.
Oh, that was
Oh,
loud.
See that one?
Oh.
Blue and purple. Wow. What is that one? Okay, white. Oh, that's astrolakia. That is astrolakia, stop.
Ne, ne.
That is astrolakia. Oh. Polychrome. Okay, stop.
I feel bad for people trying to sleep right now. Dad.
Ah. Oh. Popo.
Oh, and that one still went up a little.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now stop talking and just listen, okay? Oh.
At the end of the video, I'm gonna say Happy 4th of July.
Oreo. Mm-hmm. No scream either. Po. Ah, jodido, Oreo. What? I'm not talking too much.
Yeah, you are.
Ah. Okay.
Sit with your legs.
Right here. No, I'm okay.
Babe, right here you could put your legs around me.
No, babe. They're getting numb.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, one go down.
Oh.
What a feeling.
Oh, that was.
Oh, dear.
Oh. I'm getting cold.
Oh, Southwest is living.
No way, really? Really?
No.
Sorry.
Because, you know, Dad is joking.
Whoa. I'm glad he's joking. If he wasn't, I would have just jumped away from this thing and just recorded.
Like shotguns.
That I would have just recorded the whole airplane without
Yeah.
this. Oh. Colors. What color? Oh, this is a lot. Oh, is that the end? Not even close?
No, it's approaching. It's approaching, but not yet.
Oh my god. Whoa. We're all recording except Dad.
Yeah, we're all enjoying it, though.
Yeah, you guys recording it. I hope, babe,
Yeah,
you have enough space in your car.
I hope so.
Costas have more than enough.
A lot.
A lot more than me. Yeah. But I'm moving stuff, so
Yeah.
I've been moving things.
Whoa. That noise after the firework. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, that's